Hello, friends. This is Bela. I talk about all things real estate, and we are talking about new construction today. So, it is very exciting to see a new construction home come up. You've already made the decision to buy into a neighborhood, you've picked a particular builder, you've picked your model, you've gotten under contract, and now is the time to see your home being built. So, you've made some structural upgrades, you may have already made some design center upgrades as well. And so, the question is, what happens next? So there are three milestone moments when you interact with the project manager of your home. No, doesn't matter which builder, which neighborhood, whether it's a townhome or a single family um, or a carriage home. There are three milestone moments in which every time a on-site project manager interacts with the buyer. So the first one happens to be a pre-construction meeting. The second one happens to be a pre-drywall meeting. And the third one is the final walkthrough, which would be about 10 days before settlement. That's when your home is completely ready. So it's the entire range, and you can stay as engaged in the construction process as you want. If you're not local, they do send you some updates via email. Sometimes they send you pictures, and it's very exciting to see your house come up. So today we're talking about the actual construction process. All the decisions have already been made. They're all separate projects. What structural updates to pick, what design center updates to pick. And now it's about the actual building of your home. So the first one would be a pre-construction meeting. The pre-construction meeting is when the land has been, when you placed an order, when you got under contract, there was probably a mound of dirt where the homes were going to be built, or there was all these bulldozers still working their way on a huge piece of land, and you had no clue where your home was going to be. Yes, you're able to see the site plans and all that, but now you will see it in action. So in the pre-construction meeting, there is roads have been formed. You are able to see where your home is going to be relative to the other homes, or relative to the rest of the neighborhood, where the driveway is going to be, where the um, garage is going to be, what's behind the house, what is on the other sides of the house, what's in front of the house. Sometimes you're able to see where the fire hydrant is, where the stormwater drains are. So this is always just basically a lay of the land, and the project manager meets you on site and basically shares that with you. And so it's exciting. This is the first step of the process, and it's exciting to see your home come up. The rest of the process, the second process is, they will dig a foundation, they pour the concrete and create that foundation, and then they start framing, and then there is a roof, and then they, start putting in all the electricals and the gas and the plumbing and all of that, and then you have your pre-drywall walkthrough. So that was just the phase one of the construction process. For the phase two and three, as in the pre-drywall and the final, please check the links in my description below. See the playlist, and you'll be able to find those other videos as well. Hope you find these informative. Subscribe to my channel for more. I talk about all things real estate. Connect with me on social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, I'm on LinkedIn. Would love to interact with you. Share in the comments below your new construction experiences and help me learn along with you as well. And I'm happy to share my own experiences with my clients through all these videos. Hope these are informative, and I would love to hear from you. Let me know. Take care.